Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is going to be all about how I install this bob wig. Yes, so without no further ado, let's head to the tutorial. So guys, I'm here again with another wig tutorial, and this is a short wig that I'm going to be talking about today and installing also. So first of all, I had already done my makeup and I thought let me just do a video showing you guys how to switch it up from a nude lipstick to a very shouting color, which is the red color. Not really shouting, but a bold color. This red is really bold and it's really So first of all, before installing a wig, you have to try it on so that you can know where you're going to be adjusting or cutting. So after this, I'm going to be cutting the corners around the ears, then install the wig using the Got2b spray. Yes, which is a glue, also the Got2b glue or the Got2b spray. So for this specific wig, I cut the lace first, then I spray the glue, then install the wig after that. So you cut your lace in a zigzag motion. Oh, sorry guys, I confused you. I am going to be using the Got2b gel, not the spray. I'm using the gel, not the spray, because I felt like the gel would work better on this tutorial. So what I did is I put on the gel just in front of my edges. Do not put the gel on top of your edges or on your edges, because it's going to cut your hair while you're taking out the wig. So after I sprayed the wig from ear to ear, I let it dry for a bit. So if you do not have the time to wait for the gel to dry up quickly, you can just use a blow dry to dry it up around where you have applied it. Then after that, you just pull your wig towards the front. So you can use an elastic band to tie around your edges so that it can melt your lace pretty nicely and quickly. If you really don't have the time to do all that, you can use a blow dry so that the gel can dry. As my glue is getting dry, I'm going to be fixing my lipstick, and I'm going to be putting on the red lipstick I mentioned earlier, and this is from Huda Cosmetics in the shade The Queen. So I put on the lipstick, then I lined my lips on top, but you can line your lips then put on the lipstick if you really don't know how to line your lips after putting on the lipstick. So this is how I put on my red lipstick, and this is how I switch up my look from nude to Baddie and bold. So the gel is dry, so I'm going to be pushing the wig forward so that it can lay down and melt as it should. So after pushing the wig forward, I'm just going to let it set for a while. Then I'm going to take out the edges so that I can lay some baby hairs. So because this wig didn't come with its own baby hairs or edges, I'm going to make my own edges on this wig. Make sure you take out as minimal as possible at the front because you do not want to have thick edges. You want your edges to look as natural as possible. So I'm going to be using a razor blade to cut the edges around the front. Then I'm going to be using this shade of eyeshadow to blend my lace with my actual skin tone after that. So you can either do this after or before, but I prefer doing this before cutting my edges. You can just do it how you like it. Before or after, it's still the same. So after blending my skin tone like this, I'm going to be cutting the hair into small baby hairs. I did not want my wig to look bumpy on the side, so I used my hot comb to lay down my wig pretty well, so I wanted it kind of flat on the sides, and I wanted my front to be a bit bouncy. This is why I was using the hot comb while using that direction. I really don't know how to explain this. So as I was finishing, I was trying out a look here. It kind of backfired, but it still looked nice. So as this side was curled like this, I really couldn't figure out how to curl the other side. So I just left it straight like that. But it still looks nice and pretty, and I like how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. So this is the end of this tutorial, guys, and I hope you got to learn something and enjoy this video. I got my wig from Makeupcloudke Kenya, and they really have good stuff. So let me know in the comment section if I should do more videos like this, more wig installs and all that. Until our next video again, bye.